Hello and welcome to Dev's new video. So today are we going to make a new devlog. It's gonna be number 16 or is it 17 or something like that. I don't really remember. But I have been really busy because I have been bought the new camera on Black Friday. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. But the setting is not perfect. So I'm trying to playing around with the camera. But we're gonna look on what I've been doing in Blixten quest. But before the video, maybe you see it's really soon. I got 300 subscribers. It's my goal to get 300, and I'm gonna release a 300 special video. So click on the subscribe before you start looking. Of course, you don't need to, but it's a really great support. So yeah, let's jump in and look. So okay, I have been working with the symbol doors. Now it's quite finished because I have been made so the sounds is working correct. When you're collecting the collection that you need to find, the door is working now. The only I need to fix is the UI, then this future gonna be complete. This gonna change a little bit the gameplay. It's gonna be more like some more adventure. You need to find the collection to going forward to complete the game later. So yeah, I'm pretty happy about that. And I have starting to design some collection for this future. It's gonna be different collection for different doors. So yeah, this is gonna be really awesome. So I hope you like that. Okay, now we're talking about the UI fixes. Okay, we're gonna talk about a little bit fast about the UI fixes. I have testing around with some other solution, a resolution. I mean, not solution, but yeah, maybe that too. But we have tried the scaling, the font scaling. So now I've been fixing about that. So when it's a little bit lower resolution and high resolution, I think it's working a little bit better now. I am not testing too many resolution, but yeah, I guess this is a little bit better now for other resolution, the screen and everything about that. Okay, now is it Rift level 5 we're gonna talk about. Okay, so yeah, I have completed the Rift level 5 now, and the difference with this is that I have been adding a boss fight. It's not the hardest boss, but it's have some change from the other Rift levels, so it's gonna feel a little bit new here. And I have been adding, like that I said on my other devlogs, some blink portals. So you need to use different blinks to get some different place to get the collection to complete this Rift. So that's something new I've been working with, and this gonna be like in other Rift levels too, with some new Rift boss and blink portals, and of course there's gonna be some other new future we're gonna add. Oh, okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and of course, like always, I'm really happy when you have comment, give all the support. There's so good feedback from everyone. And but remember, you can join my Discord. Of course, you can subscribe. You can like, comment. I always love to comment back. Give feedback if it's something wrong. Tell that, or yeah, you do what you want. Do everything you like. So we gonna see and hope for a new devlog or new videos soon, really soon I hope. So yeah, see you soon.